In this tutorial we start the all concept or about the points in AutoCAD, so in details. So you can access point in AutoCAD by using the keyboard. In command window type PO. It is working slow in my laptop, so this is not the problem. Now you can put any point here. By enter you can repeat here, enter to repeat, enter to repeat. Okay, you can see these line points properly, so you can off the grid and now it is not so much clear in the screen for that, and these points are not precisely given in any specific point. So to change the view of point, you can type a command called DDPTYPE, and in front of you point style dialog box is present. Now you can change any of this style to locate a point, and point size you can change from here. Now I am selecting this point or this point as the point representation. Okay, now you can see the point clearly. Now these points are not precisely given, so I want to give points precisely. So select the point, erase. Now as we know, limit command, zero comma 0 and say 60 or 100 comma 100, enter, given by a zoom all command. I pan the screen to see the coordinate clearly. Okay, now give the command PO for giving point command and specify point. I am giving say 30 tab 30. Now this is the point. Now in AutoCAD you can plot point with reference, or AutoCAD will remember the last given point given here. This is common, and if we give any point with reference to the last given point, that is called the relative system of giving point. So to do that, give an enter to repeat point command, and when the software is asking for specify a point, you have to put at the rate 30 comma 30. Okay, now you can see our 30 comma 30 is this point, but when we put at the rate 30 comma 30, the software will take the point with respect to this 2 from here to here. It is 30 comma 30. Okay, now you can give any point with polar coordinate system. For that, give an enter try PO for giving point, and you can specify a point with respect to the origin or the given last point. So I am specify the point with the last given point. For that you have to take at the rate and specify a distance of say 20 and less than for angle with 45. Okay, now this is our last given point, not that, because we undo this point. So this point is the last point. AutoCAD will remember this point, and with respect to this, the distance between these two lines is 20 and the angle with the zero line is 45. In this way we can give line comment, point comment, and these are the use of point comments. Now we are on the grid, and here you can see the points are given in specific points. Okay, so in this way we can use points, and the points are mainly used to plot any specific points, and one can join this line. For that we have to node, enter line command. This node is activated from here to here to here. Okay, you can see that, or exit. In this way we can draw any lines, arcs, circles using some points. That is all about the points in AutoCAD. So thank you.